Okay, so this is how you were able or would be able to install the CallMyDoc app on your iPhone. So you have to find your app store and you go to search and you put CallMyDoc, all one word, like this. And then I've had it installed on my phone before, which is why it shows this, but this is probably would just say install, but I'm going to click on that. Then I can click on open. And you should always click on allow notifications so the rest of the app works correctly. Then you put in your username and your password. And then you put in this. And then you're good to go. Now it says change notification alerts. Also, let's click on that and make sure that notifications are all set. Yeah, for CallMyDoc. Let's click on this. Click on that just in case. Then go back to my CallMyDoc. And we're good to go.